280 crores. So that's one project that is going on.
Chairman of the Regional Committee for West Khasi Hills, Paul Lyngdoh, has informed that the regional committees of both Assam and Meghalaya will be meeting in Shillong on August 28. Addressing media persons, Lyngdoh said Chairman in charge of Kamrup District Sector, Chandra Mohan Patowari, is visiting Shillong on Monday along with his team of officials from the government of Assam. He said after the joint visit, the regional committees of the two states would be in a position to submit the final reports to their respective chief ministers by November.
We wish to resolve the matter in the next few months. We are very sure of completing our task within November. Now, see, when that negotiation comes to a final close, even the maps of the two states will be withdrawn. So the BOP is not relevant to the extent that, the BOP we have identified might be somewhere in the middle of, the areas that will then come to Meghalaya. So, but we have agreed that we will also go to the site, meet the villagers, and instill that sense of fraternity.
The government of Meghalaya is exploring the possibility of managing